Alright, welcome to the Keyboard Showdown. We're gonna jump straight into it, introducing our participants. We have Mr. Andy, Switch Click, Glassman, Hippotech, and Squash Boy. Before we continue on to the challenge, make sure you subscribe because I'll be giving away the keyboard at the end of the video.
Welcome guys to Keyboard Showdown. That's what we're calling it now. Glasses, welcome to the chat. We are gonna commence. Anyone have any last words before we start the Keyboard Showdown?
Okay, what's our
Is there a
showdown?
prize? There's no reason to win.
Yeah, why are we doing this?
Damn, I didn't expect them to have any last words. Any last words? Alright, that's it. That's all the last words you'll get.
What?
So let's start the Keyboard Showdown in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, welcome to the challenge. If you haven't watched the other people, here's a quick start guide. We have a budget of $100 US. You're not allowed to use Fame to get cheaper prices. Sponsor items are factored as retail prices. Tools and equipment such as loop is not factored into the budget, and my favorite part, shipping is not counted. Alright, so I roughly already know the keyboard I want, so let's hop onto my favorite website, Taobao. The keyboard kit I'm looking for is called the MW65. This keyboard kit costs about $52 US and it's kinda insane. I'm gonna tell you more about it later. For my switches, I went with banana splits because they look pretty cool. I don't know. Keycaps will be Striker because I always wanted Striker, so I'm getting knockoffs. I like Striker. And if you're wondering where am I gonna get my steps, I saw this post on online carousel. It's the local Craigslist for me. Someone selling JWK screw-in steps for $7 US, so I'm gonna go pick that up. Alright, so everything arrived. It took about 3 weeks and the shipping cost about $20, but shipping is not counted. Alright, we're gonna start with the kit. The MW65, it comes with a shit ton of screws. You can see the gasket strip, so it is a gasket mounted keyboard for $52 US. Yes, a gasket mounted keyboard. But it is stacked acrylic, and the worst part about stacked acrylic is usually the case fit. So we're gonna start with the case fit. Alright, some of them are different height and different stuff thingy, but thankfully it was somewhat similar to the Alice keyboard that I own, just that they didn't give instructions, so I took about a hot minute to just sort them out and figured they should look somewhat like this. Okay, and the other worst part, peeling off the freaking thing that protects them on both sides, but they do look really clean after you peel them. After that, I added in the bolt. Is that a bolt or not? Bolt. We added in the bolt, followed by the two golden boys into the long things. Alright, so now we're done with the fit. We can move on to the base. Just need to like fit it in. Yeah, you just need to... Dude! Fit it in. Alright, okay. Alright, very nice. And to the actual keyboard now, that took about like 3 hours. I don't know why, but it took a while. At the base, we're gonna put the screw at the bottom and put the golden boy on top and screw it in so that we have standoffs standing up on every side. Afterwards, I assembled the rest of the layers and installed the gasket strips. After the bottom gasket was done, I aligned the top layer like flip side to paste the gasket strip so that it would line up, and we are done with the case. We can move on to this PCB. This is the MW65 PCB. It has south-facing things, the good one. No interference, hot swappable. No soldering, uses Type-C connection with underglow RGB. And it does come with a polycarbonate plate too, so we can go talk. Alright, so we're gonna work on the stabs first. The $7 US JWK screw-in stabs. It was sketchy ass stabs, and $7 US, that's pretty insane, right? Well, that's pretty insane too, yo. And insane if I could wire balance it, and guess what? Your boy did it. I wholly modded and looped the stabs with some K-boy, installed them and tested them. Moving on to the switches, the banana splits. I didn't know this wasn't a deep sounding switch, but it's fine. So I don't know if these are real, but they look pretty legit and they look pretty nice too. They are linear switches with a 62-gram spring, nylon and polycarbonate blended housing with a palm stem. I looped them with 205 boys and 105 dudes for the springs and filmed with desk keys. At the same time, I was playing Sea of Thieves with Squashy Boy. Little did he know I was working on beating him while we were gaming. I don't have any more switches. Echo Radiant Rates, dude! Wait, why are we soldering again? Well, let me tell you. After installing the switches, I was testing the board on VIA, you know, like a professional builder does. And for some reason, some keys weren't working, and it was 3 keys. So I thought the hot swap sockets were a little broken. So I desoldered them and just soldered the switches onto the keyboard. Straight. But it still didn't work, so I was angry man and messaged the seller. And since I moved, my balcony has no wall plug and I was doing all this in my kitchen, but it worked though, so thank you China. Alright, so back to the keyboard. Functional keyboard. I have foam modded the case, no tape mod, installed the PCB and plate, top layer of the gasket strips and screwed it to finish the keyboard. And we have finally reached the keycaps striker. I always wanted striker keycaps, so these are PBT and cherry profile knockoffs, and since it was a south facing PCB, there will be no interference. So yeah, this is my $99 keyboard. I absolutely love the way it looks, and I sadly will be giving it away if I lose or if they lose. Alright, for a total cost of the entire keyboard, the MW65 PCB and case cost about $52 US. For our switches, we spent a total of $22 US on them. For our stabilizers, it was used stabilizers for $7, and our keycaps were $19 US. This brings our total to $100 US.
Squashy, you grew a mustache.
Yeah, we have been waiting here for so long. I
became a man.
Didn't even know
foreshadowing.
you could grow facial hair.
Okay, man. It's been a month. We have all completed our keyboards, and we're here to show it off. So, who wants to go first?
I'll go second.
Huh?
Here's my revolutionary keyboard build.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wait.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, so this is the Yusu.
Damn it.
So this is for
Gamer?
epic gamers only.
Oh.
Wow.
Only
I
epic
did not know that
gamers.
there was RGB on the side.
Wow.
$23 keycaps. I've got Acco CS lavenders. I thought these were linear, but they were tactile. Oopsie. I saran wrapped it, the
Wait,
whole
what?
board.
Why?
Is it a
Wait,
sandwich?
I also did a silicone pour that leaked everywhere because
Oh,
I
yeah.
didn't realize there were drainage holes.
Okay, so now Hippio's gonna do the sound test. So here's the sound test for Hippio's keyboard.
Damn.
Yo, this sounds nice.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. I'm a little worried now.
Howdy hey.
So Andy, what do you have for us?
I also have a Yuso.
Oh.
TKO.
Wow.
It's so
It,
cheap.
it was the cheapest thing on Amazon, and I wanted to do the least effort possible. So this keyboard, I did also notice the drainage holes, and you can see that there's silicone just kind of flapping around. It got everywhere, and unfortunately for me, it also left a stain that sits right here,
Oh.
right in the middle. So the TKL was $19 because it's a $6 discount if you suffered and got stock clickies.
Yeah.
I used TTC Gold Pinks because I didn't want to lube, and they were really good stock. That was $44, and I went ahead and upgraded the keycaps to Razer PBT, and that was $18 used. I got some used gamer keycaps. I'm a little scared,
Yeah.
but here is the sound test. This is tape modded, so instead of the saran sandwich mod, I just wrapped it in tape instead.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
So right next we have Switch and Click.
It's my turn.
It's her turn.
I had to risk it for the biscuit, knowing that I couldn't afford the cheap stuff from China.
Ooh.
I ordered it on Wish.com.
Oh my god.
$100
No way.
of stuff from Wish.com, hoping
Oh, I'm
I
surprised
wouldn't
it
get scammed. Me too. I'm surprised it came. I'm surprised it came. So this is the keyboard. It has no name. I got it in white, but I made it black and red.
Ooh. Wait. That's nice.
This was $28 for the keyboard. And the switches I've got, I think they're the fake Holy Pandas. They look like the fake Holy Pandas.
Alright.
And that was half of the budget, coming in at $49 for switches. And we've got really, really gamer red and black keycaps. These were $8. They're really cheap. They were really bad. But I made them better. And then I've got this. It's supposed to be a Squirtle. And it came with a tail, but the tail broke off.
Oh.
And then it doesn't match, so I made it red.
Oh.
So, yep, that is the build. I think I'm gonna win this one.
Switch and Click is gonna show us her sound test right now. So this is Switch and Click's keyboard.
Not bad.
Kinda clean.
It's good, right?
But is it good enough?
It's good enough. I don't know. Did I go too far?
Alright, now
Yeah,
moving on
propaganda.
to Louis Toe. Show us what you got.
Wait,
Whoa.
What?
What?
Damn.
Whoa.
How is
Hold
shiny
on,
was
what?
that?
Whoa.
Alright,
I'm
this is
pretending I'm seeing this.
this is called the
Okay.
MW65. It's on Taobao for $52. It's a gasket mounted keyboard with south facing
Darn
PCB.
Taobao.
My switches are banana splits for alphas, and then I have
What?
radiant rays for the modifiers.
Wait, what was the
How'd you
total?
afford that?
My
Yeah.
total is 99. I have JWK screen steps for $7. Yeah.
What?
Damn.
What?
That's a secret
What?
of Taobao.
That's
might win.
cheating. This
He's
is
cheating,
cheating.
dude.
What?
That's
He
not
stole it.
fair.
Alright, so Louis just sent us his sound test, so we're gonna play it right now in 3, 2, 1. Yo.
Wow.
Alright.
Well, listen, you know, it's the people that vote. It's not us.
True.
That's true.
True.
Yep.
So as for last time, how Glarus went last, because that's where he belongs. I'm gonna go before him. Just take the initiative, you know. Introducing the Recycled 65. It's homemade by me, and it has some nifty features, if I do say so myself. So firstly, keyboard, case, homemade. Keycaps, $8. I don't know where it came from, it was used. And let's go with the switches first. Alright, so these are red. What brand is it?
He doesn't even know.
Basically,
Just the
these
color.
are
These are red.
and they came from a used keyboard which I scrapped. But you might be wondering, like, okay, so what's so cool about this keyboard? This is maglev mounted.
Oh.
So-
Maglev.
Do you know what's maglev
Maglev?
mounted, guys?
Is that a train?
Yeah, the train.
It's
The
a floating
levitating
keyboard.
train.
It's a keyboard that floats. And just to finish everything off, those people who can read Chinese,
Oh, trash.
it says Lati, which means trash. At the
Nice.
bottom, I spray painted this because thinking that Betty or Louis might draw behind the keyboard. So turned out none of them did. I kind of feel bad.
All right, we're gonna listen to Squash Boy sound test in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Wait, that's actually not bad.
yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Home Depot keyboard.
Who's up next? That's a rhetorical question. It is Glarsis.
Glasses.
Moody boy.
Glar-
To
Hell.
be or not to PCB alive? That is the question. Today I have a keyboard. You know, we all talk about case this and case that, and I say you don't need a case. All you need is a PCB and keycaps. So we have the PCB from the MW65,
Oh,
and we have some Enjoy PPT keycaps. And then I had some Gateron housings with some Inver unwiped stems and some Gateron clip-ins. Yeah.
Alright. I don't know why he's depressed. It looks pretty good. So this is Glarsis' sound test, which is only 6 seconds long.
Yeah.
I think
Oh!
3, 2, 1. Ow.
Wait, what?
Those are some rattly stabilizers, if I do say so
Yeah,
myself.
really
I
rattly.
think, yeah. Would you like to elaborate on your design process, Glarsis?
Alright, so with all the keyboards out of the way, right now we are going to compile them into a Twitter post and we're going to post it and get you guys to vote. That's
Howdy
has
hey.
in.
The results are in.
Alright. So guys, it is day 2. Everyone's back except Andy because Andy is actually having his wedding, which is pretty cool. Yay. Congratulations.
Yay, married life.
I'll be taking a look at the results now and we'll be crowning our winner. Just based off looks alone, we have a clear winner with
What?
793 votes. That's 54% of all the votes. Louis Toh, congratulations. But that's just the looks, alright? That's
Congrats,
it's
Louis.
just the looks. You haven't won yet.
thank you.
Congrats.
As we all know, sound plays more of an important role than the
That's
picture.
true, that's true.
like way more important.
So we'll be looking
So
at
much more
the
important.
results for that now. So for the results, just for sound alone, which is pretty interesting actually, the results were a lot closer than I expected. First place with 29% of the votes, Louis Toh.
Oh.
What? Are you kidding?
But okay,
No.
something interesting is for third and second place. Wait, for second place we have 2 people, Hippotech and Glarsis,
Oh, what?
for 28% of the votes each. And
That's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
That's
Alright, so
insane.
yeah, congratulations to Louis, the winner. Do you have anything to say as the crowning victor of this keyboard showdown?
Alright, I've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for all those who voted for me. It's actually kind of insane that I won this whole thing. But I do make a lot of budget keyboards, so if you're interested, you can subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, I am giving away the keyboard. So all you have to do is be subscribed and comment how many switches you think are in this box. I'll be leaving a photo of it in the description so you guys can take a closer look. If I see multiple entries from you, you will be disqualified. You only get 1 entry. Whoever guesses the correct amount of switches in the container will win the keyboard. And if many of you guess the correct amount of switches, the earliest comment will get the keyboard. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe win keyboard, subscribe budget keyboard. And yeah, thank you for everything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.